Hello everyone, welcome to Backbenchers Coding. In this Android tutorial, we are going to learn about WebView. So what is a WebView? It is a view that displays web pages. It uses WebKit rendering engine to display these web pages. So we are going to follow three basic steps to build this application. The first step would be in Android manifest.xml, we are going to add internet permissions. Our second step would be in layout folder, we are going to create a layout resource file called activity_main.xml and set its root element to WebView. And in the third step, we are going to work on Mainactivity.java, in which we are again going to follow some simple steps. First, we are going to get layout file in controller activity file using the method setContentView. Next, we are going to create a URI class object in which we are going to parse web page address and store it in that object using the following statement. Next, we pass the URI object to intent and then call startActivity method. So let us practically see how to implement a web view. For that, go to Android Studio, start a new Android Studio project and give its name as WebView. Select a company domain and a project location and click on Next. Select phone and tablet and click on Next. Here select empty activity and click on Next. Here the activity name is main activity. Uncheck the checkbox of generate layout file and click on Finish. So now that our project has launched, let us start our virtual device. So go to this AVD manager icon and click on the play button. So now that our emulator has started, go back to Android Studio and within the manifests folder in Android manifest.xml, we are going to add permissions of internet. So open the tag, uses permission, Android name as internet and close the tab. So our second step would be to create the layout folder. So within resource directory, create a new directory and name it as layout. Click on OK. Now within this layout folder, we will create a new layout resource file and name it as activity_main.xml and select its root element as WebView and click on OK. Now go to this text tab and give this WebView an ID as WebView. Now we'll go to mainactivity.java and follow those simple steps that I had mentioned earlier. So first step was to create setContentView method. setContentView r.layout.activity_main. Next we create a URI object. URI equals URI.parse, in which we pass the web page address. So for suppose if my address is backbencherscoding.com, so I'll write http www.backbencherscoding.com, after which we create an intent class object. So intent equals new intent, within which we pass intent.actionView and we pass the URI object as well. Next we call startActivity method, in which we pass the intent class object. And so save your project. We are done with this. Run it. Click on OK. So here is our output for WebView, in which we can navigate this page. So if you like our video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And for more tutorials, please visit backbencherscoding.com.